Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday morning. Ginagawan ko lang ng breakfast yung mga kids. I'm making them. Yeah.
Why I have it in water there?
Yes. Hang on, Mama's just gonna make this one, okay? Tingnan nyo, ang dalawa sa background ay sobrang dala lang natin babies nila. Careful, ate. Sit down on the other chair, please. So Celine can sit there. She's going there. Oh.
I'm just trying to go on the table. Mama.
Yes, my love. Give me a second. Oh, are you okay?
Everybody. Hi, everybody. Where?
Hindi pa nakapaghilamos. Ay.
It's actually book week today, and tomorrow Celine's gonna have the book week.
Yeah, that is right. Okay, hang on. Mama will help you. Tingnan nyo ginagawa. Tingnan nyo. Ikaw rin nahirapan. Ikaw gibata ka. Sit down, ate. Sit down. Tingnan nyo ginagawa. Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina doon sa taas, guys. Kasi, ito siya. Ang maldita ay ayaw niyang ipasuot kay ate niya yung top. So, yung ginawa ko, hello, morning! Ginawa ko, nilagay ko sa bag yung top niya. Doon ko na ipapasuot. Morning, Ning Ning! Come on, let's go! Show me? Dala din niya yung book. Nagsaguyod si Manina.
I have hundreds of books.
I know. Okay, good. Lini girl! Asa naman itong sulong ko eh? Yeah. Come on. Jump in here.
She's full like this because I have mermaids and it's actually book week.
Lini girl! Hi! Come here!
Mama, when are we going to put the mermaids on?
When she's in. Okay? Kaya pag nakita niya yan, guys, kukunin man niya. Come on, sweetie girl! Come on! Get up there now! Get up there! Come on, Ate Paris is there now.
Okay.
Okay.
See. So, I'll come. Yeah. It's hard to get in mine.
Ang may-ari ng gate, guys. Hinintay pa talaga lahat makapasok bago siya. Bring the book, Bring the book to ate. Hala. Go. Go. Oh, that's super cute. Okay, go ate. Yes, ma'am. What is it, baby? Where's Ate there? Ate's there. Oh, this is beautiful. Look. Wow. Hi, Joji. Oh, hi, Violet. You're so cute. Look at Ate the mermaid. Hi, Ate. This is fun. Yeah.
Instead of smoke, rather never
Celine is listening.
wishes. How will she get the dragon to go home?
Kiss mama. Aww. Again. You're beautiful girl. Hi. Ngayon po kami nakauwi, guys. From Ate Paris' school. And then we went to grab our coffee. Did you like your baby, Chino? Kiss mama na lang on the face. Kiss mama on the face. You're such dramatic actress. I love you, anak ko. Ayuy! Ayuy! Open the door. Knock, knock. Can you knock, knock?
Knock, knock. No.
What's there? Have a look, guys. Daddy's packed now. Nah, where's Daddy going? Where's Daddy going? Don't leave us. Say that. Tell Daddy, don't leave us, Daddy. Say, don't leave us.
Oi!
Daddy Mike is leaving, guys. Ayan, nag-i-empake na si Kuya.
Daddy.
Lady, are you Ursula?
Nag-i-empake na ang ating Daddy Mike. So, it's currently, ang oras na ba ngayon? Malapit nang mag-11 ng umaga. Oh my God, ang aking pagmumukha, guys. Hindi pa ako nakapag-suklay. We are taking Daddy Mike to the airport this morning. My business conference si Daddy Mike sa Adelaide, guys. So, he has to travel to Adelaide just for one night naman kasi bukas yung conference nila. Tapos, uuwi din siya bukas ng gabi. But, nabaguhan ako, guys, kasi first time na magkasama na kami ni Daddy Mike, nawala siya. Especially, meron na kaming mga kids. So, first time niyang malayo yung kanyang business conference. Kailangan pa talagang Adelaide, guys. Was it 2 hours, Daddy? Yeah, 2 hours. So, it means, kami lang dito ng mga kids mamayang gabi. And sabi ko, hindi ako makakatulog, guys. Kasi alam nyo naman, ang tawag dito, hindi talaga ako nakakatulog kapag wala si Daddy Mike. Parang bantay ko palagi yung doors. Parang natatakot ako ba? Kasi I had a very bad experience na before na yung pinasukan yung bahay and that. So, now, nawala si Daddy Mike. Parang magiging security guard na ako nito. Hindi na ako matutulog.
Slade!
Yeah.
Come on.
Don't forget your undies, Daddy. Oh, you don't wear undies.
Tell them about my plan.
What? Oh. Eh, sabi ni Daddy Mike, guys, ay kikitain daw niya si Reyes, si Simply Reyes.
Don't act like I watch that stuff, yeah?
Kikitain daw niya si Simply Reyes tsaka si Dan, guys, sa Adelaide. Chinok niya kung gabi, sabi niya sa akin, I'll send an email to,
I'm so sad that I have to leave Queensland, yeah? And my kids in Melbourne.
Yeah, I don't know bakit nila gagawin sa Adelaide, guys, yung kanilang business conference. Di ba nga kasi na-promote si Daddy Mike, so ano na siya, kataas-taas ang kagalang-galang.
All the other banks are like, why can't we do this in Brisbane, Queensland? Like Gold Coast or something.
Buti pa si Daddy Mike, guys, nagagawa niya to. Like, ngayon siya alis, ngayon lang din siya magpapak. Kung ako to, ilang araw, dapat ready na. Para wala akong maiwan.
How should I do this?
Is this check-in? Yeah. If that's green, that, you can't bring it in.
No, that's what I'm saying, so should... You reckon
Yeah,
here?
let's go, yeah. Bring something for your sleeping island. Without... Hold up.
That. I like gym class.
So, bukas, yung uwi ni Daddy Mike, guys, alam niyo ba? Hindi ko na siya mapipick up sa airport bukas kasi late na yan siya makakauwi. Like, at least midnight na. Ay, kagabi, sinabihan namin sa Ate Paris na yun nga, si Daddy Mike wala today, tonight. Kagabi natulog sa Ate Paris, guys, umiiyak. Sabi niya, have a look at my tears, mommy. Sabi niya ganyan. Kasi, mama. What's wrong? Here you go. No more. Umiiyak siya guys kasi nga yung daddy niya daw ay wala. Kaya ng umaga, sabi niya paalis niya, we will miss you daddy. Sabi niya. Pupunta siya ng school. Kasi hindi niya makikita yung daddy niya hanggang bukas. Tapos bukas, tulog na yan siya pagdating ng daddy niya. So, the next day na yan sila magkikita. Like, Friday. Lenny, do you wanna go inside the bag?
It's very important
Go with daddy?
to show where you're from.
Hmm.
Mommy, Daddy.
Rini is Ursula.
Mermaid, be show mama be. Come.
Rini is Ursula. Is Daddy like representing?
Show me.
Okay.
Okay.
Book.
Book. Which one is your favorite one?
Many.
It's the other way around, my love.
Yeah.
See? What are you gonna tell Daddy? Daddy's going. Oh no, give Daddy a cuddle. Give Daddy a cuddle. Daddy's going to the airport. Ling Ling. Ling Ling doesn't care. You don't care, do ya?
That's not a mermaid.
A mermaid. Where is the mermaid?
There's one thing-
Ate Paris was already crying last night, Daddy. In bed.
There's only one person that gets.
Yeah.
Gusto ni Mama, babe.
That's the
Humot mo ng ilok, baby.
yeah. Not no.
Not. Pag-change your nappy lang.
That's not.
Hmm?
Oh, you're coming.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Take care, okay?
Yes.
Baby si Daddy.
Oh, yeah.
Love you. Baby girl. Hindi na nakababay. Huwag na. But you let me know when you get there, yeah? Time check guys, it's 12:30 and drop na natin ang ating Daddy Mike sa airport. Nandito lang kami sa drive-thru ng McDonald's. Kasi nauuhaw si mami niya guys. Tulog pa rin si baby sila. Itong McDonald's dito guys, malapit dito sa bahay namin. So I've already drove for 20 minutes. And I already missed Daddy Mami. Actually, umiyak ako guys. Hindi kasi ako sanay na wala si Daddy Mike. Although kahit nasa bahay siya, nagtatrabaho naman siya, hindi naman kami nag-uusap ganun. But still, thank you. Perfect. You too. But still, iba pa rin yun. Alam mo kung nandyan siya, diba? So, ayun. Drama lang ni mami niyo. Uy, one night lang naman. Dramatic actress din mama niyo. Well, hindi naman masama yan, diba guys? Miss ko lang naman si Daddy Mike. Okay, so I'm just gonna park somewhere. Kailangan ko na talagang uminom. Yung flight pala ni Daddy Mike bukas daw po uwi. 7:30 na ng gabi. So by the time na he will land and then get the baggage and then get home, late na yun siya. So I'm not sure, siguro mag-Uber na lang siguro yun siya pa uwi bukas. Tulog naman yung mga kids, alangan naman. Ayan, Ate Paris will take it. Okay, wait a minute. You gotta be patient. Here you go.
Mama, shoe.
Okay, isusuot na ni Baby Silly. She wants it back now. Wow, guys, she's got her mermaid top back. Are you happy? Yeah. Tingnan nyo.
So he's the boy, and my new pet, he turns into
Goat.
and he gets
Tingnan niyo, kinuha niya kaagad sa atin niya. Ay, kinubad kaagad ang atin niya. Wow, you look so good, my love. So beautiful, Papa. Turn around, turn around.
Touch it.
Wait, that's enough, that's enough. Lily, that's enough. Do you like it? Yeah? Yeah, careful. Saya-saya niya ah. Kaninang umaga, sobrang iyak niya. Gusto niyang isuot. It's swimming time. It's now 4:10. And it's at the Paris's. Hello. Good, thanks. Roly, poly, oh so slowly. Roly, poly. Pasta, 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 pasta. Roly, poly, oh so slowly. Roly, poly. Pasta, 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 pasta. The Paris is swimming now, guys. Asa na ba? She's on the other side. There. Ayan, oh. Yan. Careful lang. Dumating na pala din si Daddy Mike sa Adelaide, guys. Nag-video call na kami. Quickly. Hey! We're done with the swimming, guys. Dito na naman kami ngayon sa bodybuilding. Tingnan niyo ito. Oh, wow! Very strong. Oh! Oh, that's very far. Very far. Whoa! Very strong. This way. Ate Paris is here, guys. Nalinisan nila dito, oh. Pinano nila, oh. Nagtanim sila ulit. Time check, guys. It's now 6:30 ng gabi. And I'm just gonna get our dinner ready. Actually, busog pa ako, guys. Kasi nagkape ako. Yes, ako na talaga nagkape. 6 o'clock. That's me. Si Lini! Oh my God! Just Lord! Carefully! Kaya lang kasi you'll hurt yourself, Baba! Hilig talaga ni Baby Celine, guys. Mag-akyat-akyat ba? Be careful, anak. I don't know where you... Okay. I'll cook some of this. So, ito yung pinapakain ko Ate Paris. Kasi diba sa Ate Paris, ayaw niyang kumain before. Ayaw niyang kumain ng meat. And, ng vegetables. So, ngayon... Oh, but have a look in... or maybe this one lang. Have a look in that one there. Yeah. So, ito siya. Para siyang pasta. Pero yung loob niya ay... Yeah, have a look there.
Of course that's not.
Okay, then you try finding the room as well. So, that one. And we have some... Ano din? Fillets. Yung fish na nakaganito na ba. So, yan. Para quick lang ang ating pag-prepare. I need to do something tonight. So, yun na nga, nakarating ating Daddy Mike sa Adelaide. Sabi niya, sobrang ginaw daw, guys. Kaya nagdala siya ng jacket doon. Kaya sabi ko, tawag dito, pinakita ko sa kanya yung video call kami ng very slight kanina doon sa swimming school ni Ate Paris. And pinakita niya sa akin yung hotel kung saan siya magstay. Eh, pinakita ko rin sa kanya yung blue skies, guys. Kasi very cold daw doon. Tapos, maambun ba. And here in Brisbane, it's 28 degrees today and it's sunny. So, alam niyo naman kung gaano niya ka love yung sun, di ba? So, yun. Tatawag daw yun siya mamaya. Kausapin niya ang kanyang mga prinsesa. Yung aking mata ay very hapdos, guys. I don't know why. It's probably kulang sa tulog. Kita niyo ba? Kita niyo sa ano?
Mama, it's really hot.
Wala sila? Hindi na ako nakapag-vlog kanina nung, after namin pinick up sa Ate Paris. Kasi pumunta kami ng post office. Sobrang busy ko today, guys. Actually, kailangan kong mag-post 2 bags and 1 jacket. Yung aking pinost. And after that, straight away, binisan ko sa Ate Paris. Pumunta kami ng swimming school. So, yeah, after ng swimming school, laro-laro pa doon, guys. And then we just got home not too long ago. And upo muna ako. Nagkape. And now we can get the dinner ready. Siguro mamaya, pag tulog na itong mga kids, tatawagan ko na lang siguro yung mama ko, guys, para may kausap ako while I'm cleaning. Kasi yan naman talaga yung ginagawa ko, guys. Yung sister ko or yung mama ko, nagvi-video ko kami especially kapag naglilinis ako, tapos madaling araw na, guys, naglilinis pa rin ako. Yung sister ko, hindi ako iniiwan, guys. So, chika-chika na lang kami kahit na very sleepy na din siya. Sabi ko, sige na, magbabay ka na kasi katapusin ko lang to. Ayaw niya talaga. Sinasabi niya na, it's okay. I'll wait na matapos daw na magpunta din ako ng bed. I tell Tita about your book week today. How was it?
Very good.
Yeah? What was your favorite there? Apart from yourself as a mermaid, what was your favorite character there?
Mermaid? There's other people are mermaid.
Yeah.
And I like the mermaid.
Yeah? Don't you like the other ones?
Yeah?
Which one? What was Violet?
Anna? I like that.
Huh?
I like Anna.
Anna? Was she Anna?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. And Georgina? What was she?
Remember Katanar and the other one, Ladybug?
The ladybug. Yeah.
Marinette. Got it.
Yeah. How do you feel that Daddy is not here tonight with us?
Sad.
Sad?
How do you? How do you?
Yeah, I feel sad too. I miss Daddy. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, no, you cried last night.
Yeah.
You're gonna cry again tonight?
No?
No?
Because he's coming tomorrow.
That's right, because he's coming home tomorrow. You don't need to be sad, yeah?
Yeah, Daddy said he's gonna give me a present. He did.
Did he?
Well, can you give me
Yeah.
some tape?
Daddy Mike said, what would you like? Sabi ko, may Louis Vuitton mo lang. Talan mo ako ng Louis Vuitton. Wala man yata ng Louis Vuitton doon, anak. Funny joke lang yan, guys. What do you think Daddy's gonna get for you?
Toy?
Toy? Lini! Tingnan natin yung isa, guys. Kasi, alam niyo ba yung ginawa niya the other day? Pumasok siya sa closet, guys. Hindi siya makalabas. Baka Ay! Akala ko pumasok sa closet. Tingnan niyo.
Abadini's mermaid.
Yun yung ginagawa niya, guys. Nag-announce siya, everybody. What was your announcement lang?
Abadini's mermaid.
Linis mermaid. Again?
Okay. Abadini's mermaid.
Ooh!
Nini's mermaid.
How about the mermaid sing?
That's mermaid.
Uy, ayun anak, daw ito. Come na. Up where they walk. Ay, lagi na kay dirty na. Alam niyo ba ginagawa niya? Guys, ano siya akyat siya dyan. Tapos, ano yan siya, ambak na siya karon sa bed. Ayun na lang ba?
Abby, Nini's mermaid.
Linis mermaid. Gigi! Wow!
I really need a marker.
It's 11 o'clock. Kanina patulog yung mga kids, guys. Alam niyo yung ginawa ko. After nilang makatulog, naglinis-linis ako konti dito. Sa lunchroom, change ko yung cover ba. And ngayon, kumain pala ako, guys. So, kumain ako ng beef stroganoff and rice. Hindi ako kumain kanina nang kumain mga kids kasi nagkape ako, di ba? And now, yung gagawin ko is the dishes. And also, tawag dito, i-iron ko itong mga damit ng kids for tomorrow. So, uniform ni Ate Paris. And ngayon ko lang na-realize na bukas pala, book week din sa playgroup ni Baby Celine. So, I don't think she's going to wear this kasi yung susutin niya ay I'm not sure kung hindi ko alam kung nasaan yung kanyang mermaid tail. So yung kung hindi ko mahanap, ipapasuot ko sa kanya is yung kay Ate Paris. The same lang yung susutin. And so tumawag yung daddy nila kanina. Nag-video ko bago nakatulog yung mga kids. Maghuhugas ako ng pinggan. Takot talaga ako, guys, kapag ako lang mag-isa. See kung makakatulog ako tonight. Anyways, that's it for today's video, guys. I will do a quick shout out before natin end. Shout out to Esther Timwat, Arlene Hover, Lenny Langit, Delaney Prince, Lolita Lacuesta, Teresa Otik, Jamila Kawaja, Juliet Caparas, Marcina Rito, Morena Dusil, Sweet Shy Kulit, Mary Ann, Victoria Baptista, Edna Ferger in Arizona, USA, Maricar Castaneda, Yet Balino, Irene Aliperio, Blessed Eva Ana Saliv, Ritz Escapi, Joy TV, Giselle, Jancy Pinay in Australia, Pearly Abiliana, and Ray's Channel. That's about it for today's video, guys. I hope that you enjoyed. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and make sure to hit the subscribe button to be a part of this family. And we hope to see you all in the next one. Don't forget to be good, and if you can't, be careful. Bye, guys. Mwah.